Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to showing you how to make or converting this picture. If you see they have a planet or earth, converting to the lighting earth or lighting planet with Adobe Photoshop. Just let's go starting, going to the Adobe Photoshop and going to the open and getting the original picture and going to the tool list and selecting object selection tool. You can making a border for the planet with some tools have been in here. Like you see, I make it a review about making a border in my YouTube channel. You can see it from my post. And just let's starting, just one click in here, making a border, and pressing and hold the Ctrl J from your keyboard, and here right click to the at the layer and go to the convert to smart object, and now press and hold Ctrl G to making a group and come back to the layer. Click here and press and hold Ctrl J again, and here click here and go to the normal list, go to the screen, select the screen and go to the filter list in here and go to the blur or blur and go to the Jason blur, and now check the space to number 5, and now close the group and click here, just one click and go to here and go to the Hui Startation, and here click at the icon to make it. So now in here change the color to lighting, and you can here changing color, you can make or select any color you want. So in here this review is come to end. I wish you liked the post, and don't forget like my videos and share for learning another people's, and subscribe my channel to see more videos and next time. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.